Ayan, ready na ba kayo ma-meet ang ating next performer?
Our next performer is a Filipino with over 14 million YouTube subscribers. Come soon! Harap na, because our next guest performer will show us the electrifying energy of Kogma Festival. Let's give it up for Sino!
Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah, Borge Dubai ain't got. Everest ain't got shit on me. Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah, Borge Dubai ain't got shit on me. You can touch the sky, but you ain't got shit on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah.
Lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. She kick you out if she ever knew. You told me that you do. Dirty, dirty boy, you know everyone is talking on the scene. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been and how you don't know how to keep your business clean.
Ayan, pwede na kayo mabuhay. Hello? Kamsor! Hello? Sar! Marhay na aldaw! Grabe yung energy nyo sa panahon ng bagyo. Grabe, as in. Hanggang dulo ba nandiyan dyan? Paano naman sa kabilang dulo? Ayan! Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nakisaya sa Kaugma Festival. And isa ako sa thankful dahil inimbitan niyo ako dito. Magpa-party tayo hanggang mamaya. Tama ba yon? Ganda ko daw. I love you. Thank you. Alam niyo, grabe yung pagmahal ng Kamsur. Nakikita ko yung mga posts niyo, yung mga placards. Grabe. Mahal na mahal ko rin kayo. Nabitin ba kayo sa isang prod? Gusto nyo pa ba ng isa? Ayan. Pero bago ang lahat, pwede ko ba marinig ang pinakamalakas na arat ng Kamsur? Kamsur! Isa lang masasabi ko! Arat na! Ayan. Siyempre gusto ko pasalamatan si Gob Luigi. Grabe. Sa kanilang dalawang niyasi talaga kung bakit nandito ako. Grabe. Maraming salamat po. Grabe yung init. Kaya nyo pa ba? Ayan oh. Gusto nyo makita si Bia? Daddy Ray, Lucas, Bia, hali kayo, dali. Kompleto yung buong pamilya ko para sa atin. O kuya, what will you say to them?
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys. Oh, wait, ano lang. Sorry po, nahiya siya. Hindi pa siya sanay sa mga ganito. Daddy Ray, ka naman.
Hi.
Kompleto po ang pamilya ko. Ganun po kalala ang tour. Ayan. Siyempre gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Bia, can you say hi? Oh, Bia, ay kuya, say bye-bye to them. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Rana, hinahanap ka. Halika na. Bumati ka naman piyesta ngayon, girl. Hi, Kamsu! Kamusta kayo? Masaya ba kayo lahat? Ayan na nga po. Family reunion pala to, hindi pala concert to. Ayan, okay, sige. Para matapos na tayo, magbibigay pa ako ng isang dance prod. Arat na? Arat na!
Wala nga si Jan, nababadrip nga ako eh. May tubig kayo? Tubig?
on the TV. When I grow up, and you don't care what they say. When I grow up, fresh and clean, number one chick wanna step out on the scene. Cause see, when I was younger, I would say, when I grow up, I see a sound of me. Oh, I'm a trendsetter. Yes, this is true, cause what I do, no one can do it better. You could talk about me, cause I'm a hot topic. I see 'em watching me, When I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be a star, I wanna be a... Just ain't enough to leave a house, don't you? Don't you wish your girl